How's everybody doing? So a little bit of an update, just letting you know what's going on. I've just been operating a little bit, and you can see I, I bought another locomotive. Okay, so let me explain. So this is a Rapido offering. It's this GR412 road switcher, which essentially is a GMD1. Now SRY had a couple of these, but they were the 1200 series. This is the 1400 series, which ran like right up until into the 2000s. So, and as you know, I like BC Rail CN as well. And these, I find that these locomotives, like 4-axles, really fit this layout really nicely. And anyway, it's a beautiful locomotive. I know it's a locomotive that only a mother could love, but I don't know, it just has so much character, you know. It's Loc Sound version 5. It just runs beautiful. The sound file's really good. Once again, it's that love-hate relationship that I have with Rapido, right? And just let me qualify that. I love most of their stuff. I've had a few issues with, or have a few issues, like the RDC, I'll just come out and say it, like I'm not happy with how it runs, never have been, so it's a shelf queen, right? Yeah, they all run good at notch 5 to 8, don't they? Every locomotive does, but I don't run at notch 5. Like I run at 15 miles an hour because the slower you run, the larger your layout is, and that's the philosophy of this type of operations. But I do have quite a few of the locomotives, and I do like them a lot, and this is a real sweetie. I really love it. It's just, I don't know. I don't know what to say. Sometimes you won't like the prototype so much, but then you see a model of it, and they do manufacture beautiful models. Okay, now I'm just operating throughout the summer. I'm not working on the layout. I'll just say that right now. I'm still working on the diorama, the Juno diorama, and I'm still got quite a ways to go on that. And I'll probably be taking that to the fall show, the IPMS show this year, just to display it or to show it. And yeah. Other than that, I just, every once in a while, I'll just run and I'll switch out a couple of cars like this, and that's all I need. So anyway, just thought I'd give you a little update there. and just encourage you to have fun. You know, if you like the Locomotive, get it. You know, if it brings you joy and happiness, then, you know, pick one up before it's too late. Anyway, happy modeling, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.